So far we have downloaded and installed Hadoop related binaries on a node where we want to set up single node Hadoop cluster. After downloading and installing Hadoop related binaries, we have configured and started HDFS. Once HDFS is validated, then we have configured yarn. Now it is time for us to start and validate yarn. Let's go ahead and start yarn first and then validate to see if the components related to yarn are started or not. We have already validated the dollar path. It already have Hadoop bin and Hadoop sbin. To confirm, you can run this again. Let me copy this and then paste it here. You can see that OPT Hadoop bin and OPT Hadoop sbin are already added to environment variable called as path. You can actually copy this path and then you should be able to say ls-ltr, paste it. Then you can say start star, hit enter. You can see there is a command called as start yarn.sh. We should be able to use this command to start yarn related components. You can see that it is starting resource manager and node managers. Even this command requires passwordless login to the same server using the same user. As we have successfully set up passwordless login earlier before getting into setting up of Hadoop on this single node cluster, it have started without any issues. To confirm whether these components are started properly or not, you should be able to run this jps command on top of name node, secondary name node and data node. Now we are also seeing resource manager and node manager. After HDFS, we have seen only these three. After starting yarn, these two are added. This is how you should be able to start yarn and validate whether components related to yarn are started properly or not. We are not going to run any job at this time. Once we get into details such as Hive, Spark, etc., we will be running a few Hive queries or Spark jobs. If yarn is set up properly, those will run without any issues. If we have to update any of the properties related to yarn while setting up Hive or Spark, we will take care of those at that time and then we will actually configure them and validate. So far we have successfully set up a single node Hadoop cluster with HDFS and yarn on this machine.